Here at Next LED Signs, the most technical question buyers ask is, what pixel pitch do I need for my LED sign? The fastest way to answer this is the 10 times rule. Take the distance in feet of your closest viewer, divide by 10, and that gives you your ideal pixel pitch in millimeters. So if your closest viewer is 60 feet away, a 6mm pixel pitch is usually the right fit. Pixel pitch is simply the distance between LED bulbs on your display. A smaller number means higher resolution and sharper image quality at closer viewing distances. If you're installing a high-speed highway billboard, you can use a larger and more cost-effective 15mm or 16mm pitch because viewers are further away. But if you're installing a street-level monument sign or an indoor LED display where viewers walk right up to the screen, you need a tighter pitch like 4mm or 6mm so the image doesn't appear grainy. Buying a smaller pixel pitch than your viewing distance requires is one of the fastest ways to overspend on an LED sign project. Next LED Signs helps businesses, schools, churches, and municipalities select the right resolution for visibility, readability, and long-term value. Use the links in the description to review additional pixel pitch resources and compare viewing distance recommendations for your project.